5?
Uh-huh.
What's in that one?
This is the one where Ross just said Rachel.
Oh.
After he was gonna marry her.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh. Are you biting down on your gauze?
I don't know.
Can you feel anything yet? Don't try to suck up your spit, remember?
Can I feel up my nose?
You have something in your nose?
Can I suck up my nose?
Yes, you can suck up. Yes. I think that's okay.
My makeup
No, your makeup looks fine. Yeah, I promise.
It's pretty poopy.
No, it doesn't. It doesn't look poopy, I promise. It looks good.
Joe saw me like this? I'd be like, Joe, relax! You can't see me like this, I'm ugly.
No, you look cute.
No, I'm ugly.
No, you were only in there for 20 minutes. You can't, there was no way that you can even look bad.
But I miss Joe.
You miss Joe?
I want him to come and say hi to me.
Okay, I'll tell him.
I just want him to come say hi.
Honey, he'll come say hi. Don't be sad, it's okay. Or I'll text him from your phone and tell him to come say hi to you later when you feel better, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
But I want the one where Joey is totally stuck on his head.
Uh-huh.
And then Monica puts it on. And she puts the glasses on. She
With the turkey on his head?
yes, with Chandler. And Chandler says, I love you. And you're like, oh, Chandler loves her.
But she has a turkey on her head.
This Chandler's problem is so dumb. But it's really funny.
It is funny.
It's like make him happy and make him laugh.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you biting on your gauze?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Should I call Spencer?
Yeah, you want to call Spencer?
Huh?
Okay.
I want to call Joe.
Okay. Well, I don't know if I want you to call Joe because you're going to cry if you call Joe.
Maybe.
Let's call Spencer.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay.